Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you some tips on how to restore your hair after it's been colored. Before you wash your hair, pre-oil it. Oiling your hair before washing it helps with deep hydration and makes it feel softer and look shinier. You can use any type of oil such as jojoba oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. I like using jojoba oil because it is the easiest one for me to wash out of my hair. I first take a tablespoon of the oil and I rub it between my hands before applying to the length of my hair. After I run it through the length of my hair, I put about a teaspoon of jojoba oil on my scalp and make sure to rub it in really well. I then take my heat cap, which was a gift from a friend, but you can probably find this on Amazon, and I stick it in the microwave for 90 seconds before placing it over my hair and leaving it on for about an hour before washing out. The heat helps the oil penetrate your hair. I do this with every other hair wash, but if your hair doesn't get as dry as mine, just do this once a week. Now that you are done oiling your hair, it is time to use a scalp scrub. Scalp scrubs are really great for helping to clear buildup or dandruff from your scalp. I like to make my own scalp scrub, which contains a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of jojoba oil, and a teaspoon of coconut sugar. This is the serving size for just one time, but you can fill a jar of it if you want for other times. I put a layer of the scrub on my scalp and I scrub very gently before rinsing off. Now it is time to shampoo and condition it. I try to find the most natural shampoo and conditioner as possible that is as close to nature as possible. What I mean by this is shampoo and conditioner that does not contain any harmful sulfates or chemicals that can dry out my hair even more. The brand that I found that I feel the most comfortable with is called Attitude, and you can buy this brand on Amazon. I like to use the moisture-rich shampoo and conditioner that contains quinoa and jojoba oil. I apply a generous amount of shampoo to the length of my hair and the roots to wash out all of the oil. Afterwards, I condition my hair, making sure to leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing out. Another great way to keep your hair hydrated is to use a hair mask at least once a week. On your second day of the week washing your hair, include your DIY hair mask. You can also buy one online, but I find that making one is cheaper and safer because you know what is exactly in your own hair mask. I make mine using a half cup yogurt, half cup of mayonnaise, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now keep in mind I have a lot of hair, so for people that have finer or thinner hair, you might want to play around with the different amounts of these ingredients to see what are the right measurements for you. I apply this hair mask from roots to ends, wrap it up on my head, and leave it on for about an hour. Then I shampoo and condition like normal. On days that I do not wash my hair, I like to do a hair rinse to clarify it and keep it soft. I like using an apple cider vinegar rinse. The apple cider vinegar balances out the pH of your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. I take a half cup of apple cider vinegar and a half cup of water and mix it in a spray bottle. I just rinse it out with water and don't worry about the smell because the apple cider vinegar dissipates as your hair dries. One last thing I like to do for my hair every day is use a detangler to help with brushing and knots that might get tangled throughout my hair. I use my very own marshmallow root detangler, which only contains marshmallow root, rosemary, sage, aloe vera juice, a pinch of salt, and a couple drops of jojoba oil. I boil the herbs, let the mixture cool, and add the rest of the ingredients. I use the spray every morning before work, and it does wonders for my hair in terms of making it soft, shiny, and less tangled. This is my final hair result after doing my entire routine. It is soft, manageable, and looking and feeling fuller and healthier. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. I hope my hair tips helped you. See you all next time.